Reaching and maintaining a healthy weight is important for overall health and can help you prevent and control many diseases and conditions. A high amount of body fat can lead to weight related diseases and other health issues. Being underweight is also a health risk. We at MediCircle are presenting Healthy Weight Awareness series with experts in the field of health and wellness to give out relevant information to all our viewers and readers. I'm Smita Kumar, and in the series today we have with us Khushbu Jain Tibriwala. Khushbu is a nutritionist at the Health Pantry, which works on an ideology called Unprocess Your Life, which simply means living a more natural life. She's an experienced nutritionist with a demonstrated history of working with eminent organizations like Fraternity and Goki. Her aim is to enter the fields where misinformation about health and fitness is most prevalent. Hi, Khushbu. Welcome to the Healthy Weight Awareness series of MediCircle.
Hi, Smita. I think your introduction was like I'm getting goosebumps. I did not expect you to be introducing me like that. Thank you very much. I'm glad that you see it that way.
You're most welcome, Khushbu. We aim to interview people like you because we want to spread more relevant and correct information. Lot of people are actually trying to either gain weight or lose weight, and you guys are
Yeah,
the people to give an authentic advice. So here's the
yeah,
first
yeah,
one for you. Like people have this notion loss of weight seen on the weighing scale means it's
yeah,
good. So what are your
yeah.
thoughts on the same? Since there is something called as a healthy fat and unhealthy thin.
So I personally feel that people are so bogged down, always stressing about their weight, but it's just a number, right? And there are so many reasons why one could weigh more or weigh less, and it has nothing to do with fat. So, a lot of times when people tell me that I need to lose weight, my entire explanation of the topic to them is that, healthy weight is something that can be achieved, but you have to look at the body fat percentage. The reason why you mentioned healthy fat and unhealthy weight. So weight can actually be your bones, it could be your it could be your muscles, it could be all of that. So when someone is trying to lose weight, they need to also understand that you don't want to lose weight in a form where you're losing muscle, or like I had a client once who came to me because her trainer asked her to have only muesli, like do mutti of muesli, subah sham raat, that's it, that's all she was eating. And the biggest issue that she faced, she's like, I was losing weight, I was happy doing it, she lost some 13-14 kgs doing this, but her joints started hurting. And what we realized is आप खाना ही नहीं खा रहे हो, she's not getting calcium, she's not getting anything. So obviously her bones were weaker. So a lot of the weight loss could have probably just been her bones becoming weaker, or her muscles, a lot of muscle wasting happening. So I strongly believe that one should really, like, weight is one of the most obsolete and irrelevant parameters of health. And if you really must look at something as a parameter, look at fat percentage, or look at intangible things like energy levels. Look, are you waking up energetic? Are you sleeping well? Are you managing stress well? Are you digesting food well? Those are parameters of health, and weight has nothing to do with that.
Definitely. So let's. I mean, that's a good piece of advice because people get obsessed with the weighing scale and keep checking
Yeah,
their weight every time, even after a small workout. Uh,
yeah.
Khushbu, what are the challenges? One question from the industry perspective, like there, as you are from the health and wellness industry, so what according to you are the most important areas where you face challenges?
So I actually face challenges. Mainly, it's to do with misinformation, and that's really why people like you and me need to be doing what we're doing. Because what happens is the biggest there are so many people who want to be giving information, and it's great that everyone from every profession will do their little research and have an opinion on things. But what usually happens is that the human body is so complex, and there are so many intricate things that we honestly do need to dedicate a lot more time and effort to understand the body. And you know I am almost always in awe of what the human body can do. So, every time I meet a client and I go through their journey with them, my first takeaway is that it is so, it's amazing the way the human body can take care of itself. And most of the times, the misinformation that we find online or through so many other people, most of the information actually comes in the way of the body just doing what it knows how to do. So that is my challenge, that lack of respect or lack of understanding of, okay, my body is is will do everything I need to. My only job is to provide the raw material and back off, like खाना दे दो in the right form and then back off, क्योंकि मेरी body मेरा ध्यान रख लेगी. So I just feel like that is something that comes in the way of everything: health, weight, stress, like anything to do with with the body. Actually, the minute people kind of start respecting their body a little bit more, I feel like that will just solve so many problems.
Definitely. $1 million question with you, Khushbu. Lots of people might have been asked you before, and again that has been asked. So, what is the best way to lose weight? Is सबसे अच्छा तरीका क्या है weight lose करने का?
Uh, I answer this question so many times, and it's actually different every time. But the thing is, the only way you can lose weight in a healthy way is अगर आप अपनी body को अंदर से healthy कर दो. Like basically, weight loss needs to be a byproduct of good metabolic health. तो अगर आपकी बॉडी अपना काम ढंग से कर पा रही है, इफ all the functions inside are being able to be conducted in the correct fashion, then I think that's what causes weight loss. So I mean, I see this every day. The minute you restore health, the minute आपकी body में जो deficiencies है वो हम कम कर देते हैं, you end up losing weight. So your body doesn't want to be overweight, your body wants to be of the correct weight, but it'll do that in its own way. So I just feel like that works. And the other thing that always works is mindful eating. So जब आप खा रहे हो खाना, you can be in front of a screen, you can be reading a book, you can be doing all of that, or working. That's, I think, the worst. But you could be doing all of that. But what works the best is if you're kind of eating the food, and that's the only activity you're doing at the moment, where you're giving food that attention, you're engaging all your five senses. जब आप वैसे खाना खाओगे, that's when आपकी body को आपको समझ आएगा कितना खाना खाना चाहिए, कब रुकना है, what is the right portion, what to eat, what to not eat. And then that's it, that's the problem, that solves the problem.
Surely. Khushbu, since we are celebrating this weight loss month, would you like to share some thoughts, tips, or advices with our viewers? ऐसे कुछ भी tips जो हम लोग daily routine में follow कर सकते हैं, so that we are healthier, and even not just from the body but from the mind and soul also.
um so number one tip will be mindful eating, जो मैंने अभी अभी बोला. जब आप खाना खा रहे हो, don't shy away, हाथ से खाना खाओ, that's the best. Okay, the minute आप हाथ से खाना खा रहे हो, आपको इतनी uh, you learn so much about the food, and you're kind of, there's a relationship that you have with the food when you're eating with your hand, and which is why हाथ से खाते तो tasty ज्यादा लगता है खाना. So number one is eat हाथ से हमेशा. Engage all your senses when you're eating, of course. The second thing that you should do is you should ensure that you're very very active. यानी आपकी बॉडी बैठे रहने के लिए नहीं बनी है. आपकी बॉडी यानी इफ यू गो, अगर आप 50 साल पहले वाले लोगों को भी देखो, तो 10-20 किलोमीटर, ऐसे आप अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स से, मैं भी अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स से बात करती हूँ, हाँ बस स्टॉप 10 किलोमीटर दूर था, आराम से चल के चले गए. आज के दिन वी कांट इवन इमेजिन डूइंग दैट. So be more active. Your body is made to be doing physical activity. तो आप ऐसे वो don't be आराम पसंद. Use your body. उसका काम ही वो है. It's a machine. It's meant to do some work. So use your body a lot. And generally, we are always very, there is, I call this monkey mind. Actually, this is a lot of health professionals are realizing this. It's called the monkey mind. आप जब भी देखोगे हमारे मन में कम से कम 4 से 5 अलग अलग टॉपिक्स पे thoughts चल रहे होते हैं. Like right now, if you ask me, I might have 4 5 different thoughts going on. That actually causes a lot of unwanted underlying unwanted stress is becoming the root cause of a lot of health issues. So, like just learn how to be present in the moment. If I'm talking to you, I want to talk to you. I don't want to have 20 other thoughts in my mind. So I think 3 things that you will not expect a nutritionist always to talk about this, but I feel कि diets के बारे में तो सभी आपको बता देते हैं, and there is so much information as a starter point. But I feel these are 3 points that are missing, and I would hope that more people talk about it and more people start practicing them.
Lovely. So thank you so much, Khushbu, for sharing the significant information about health and well-being with us today. We, as a healthcare dedicated media portal, definitely believe that through these initiatives of ours, we are able to educate and aware more and more people about the need of learning about nutrition and fitness, which is the most important aspect of all our lives. And जितना हो सके हमें local जाना चाहिए, that having local foods, local vegetables, and as Khushbu rightly mentioned, that we are having multiple thoughts in our minds, and we are always thinking of something. So let's not be in the race, and sit back and just take a rest and check what we are doing is actually worth or not. And most important good thing what I found, that she asked us to eat with our hands. हाथ से खाना जो हमारे सबसे means हमारे जो भी पद्धति हमारे जो भी पूर्वजों ने हमें सिखाया, means we were always with hands. हम लोग ने कभी भी cutleries नहीं use की है. So again, back to the basics is really really good. That is the way you establish a relationship with your food. So thank you once again, खुशबू, आपने हमारे साथ जो इतनी अच्छी बातें share की. I hope हमारे ये viewers के लिए काफी beneficial होगा. Thanks for joining.
I hope so too. Thank you so much. Thank you for having me, and all the best.
Thanks.